Hello everyone, I hope you guys are fine and doing great. In this video I'm going to show you how to unsend an email. So open Gmail and let's go ahead and test it first. Click on compose and then type the email of the person that you want to send the email. For instance, I will send it to myself into another Gmail account. Then you have to type the title and the content of the email. For this video I will be testing it, so I am writing this is a test email address. This is a test email address, and once you did that one, you have to click send. Here you can see this is a small message which you can see. You can click undo and the message is now unsent easily, and even the draft, it appears in the editing mode or basically in the draft mode. So the default option is around 5 seconds. It means when you send an email, 5 seconds you have to cancel it, or else it will be gone forever. However, you can configure the settings from the settings of Gmail all the way up to 30 seconds. So to change the settings, click on the gear icon or the settings at the top corner, and now click see all settings. In the general tab, here you can see that there is undo send. The default timing is 5 seconds, but you can increase it all the way to 30 seconds. Now click or choose a time and scroll down and choose save changes. Okay, once you did that one, click compose again, or let me just simply choose one of the emails from the drafts, which are basically both of them the test emails. Now click on it and you will see the message is there, but it will be there for at least 30 seconds. After that it will disappear. So you get the idea what do I mean here. Also, let me clear one more thing. If you are looking to increase the undo send time in your Android or iOS device, just forget it, because currently this settings is not available within the cell phone version of Gmail. I hope you get the idea what do I mean. So have a nice day, goodbye, and let me know your thought regarding to this video in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Have a nice day and goodbye.